So we need to now get rid of this white area around it, and we want to make the spine stick out a whole lot better. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get rid of as much of this that I don't want. And I'm just using, as you can see, the magic wand one. And then we want to make sure nothing is selected, because if anything's selected, nothing else will work after that. So I'm going to do D, Control D, or Command D on Mac. So we've got the majority of this here now set. All right, so now what am I going to do? Well, if I hold down either the Control key on a PC or a Command on a Mac, it gives my selection, and once I've selected, you'll see that I have Refine Edge right here in my top toolbar, or I can go to Select Refine Edge. They're basically the same thing. It might come up on yours like that. I have mine set so that it is to black, because I find it easier to see on what I've got here. So now my Refine Edge, I can change the size of my brush with hitting the square bracket, and I am going to now start going over the areas and take a look here how this clears it up. So as I pull along the edges here, see how it pulled the white out from around here. So it's making it, it's refining our selection. So I'm getting a really nice edge for my porcupine. A little bit more here around the front seems to need it. And let's see if I can get it cleared up a little bit more along here. All right, so I think that's looking pretty darn good. I'm looking, there's one little area right here that I'm not really pleased with, so I'm just trying a little more. Okay. If I don't like it, I should be able to go back one. Yeah, so I think I took out a little too much there. All right, now what I've cut off of my view here accidentally is right beside where background, it says new layer and OK. So I'm going to say OK, new layer. And so now it's made a new layer for me with my new selections. So this one here is hidden, and that's fine. You can have it here as a backup in case. You can rename it if you want. So now you know that one's there. Okay, body. Now when I look here, I can see there's a couple little places there that I maybe, oops, I need to make sure I'm on the right layer when I'm erasing. So I'm pulling out a couple places where I missed.